Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional profile picture using PhotoRoom in just a few quick steps. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, you will be given two options. You can just tap on start from photo to edit a new photo from your gallery, or tap on the content at the bottom right corner to open all your previously edited images. You can select any photo from it, which will open directly in the editor. But if you want to start with a new photo, you can just tap on the start from photo, then select a photo from your gallery. The PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using the AI, and you will be redirected to a new page with different editing sections. Within it, scroll down to the social essentials. Then here you can see the social media formats available. You can just scroll and tap on see all to see all the formats available. Make sure to scroll down until you see Instagram profile picture. Once seen, tap on it and it will open in the editor where you can customize it. You can just tap on the background to add image or color if required, as well as tap insert. Within it, you can insert stickers or graphics. Position it based on your requirement. It's optional, but you can also add light text if needed, but for profile picture, keeping it simple works best. So after all the editing, when you are happy with the result, you can just tap on save, and if save to camera roll from ready to share screen is not clicked, you can just tap on it and tap close design. And that's how you can create clean professional profile pictures using PhotoRoom, which is perfect for social media, business profiles, as well as online platforms. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.